All right, prime time. Here's the video to find the winner of my Ric Flair signed and inscribed 16 by 20. We'll check the time, May 25th, 5:39 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have May 25th at 5:39 p.m. There's the list of our 11 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. There, right, 7 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Evan. Spot 10 is your winner. So, Evan, please get with me to collect your Flair. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, May 25th at 5:40 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.